In this video, you will learn how to transfer on Fidelity banking app. First, download and install the app. Get the Fidelity banking mobile app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Log into your account. Open the app and enter your login details and credentials to access your account. Navigate to the transfer section. On the dashboard, locate and tap on the send money or transfer option. Select the transfer type. Choose whether you're transferring from another Fidelity bank account or a different bank account or a mobile wallet. Enter the recipient details. Input the recipient account number and bank name or mobile number for the wallet transfers. Specify the amount. Enter the amount that you wish to transfer. Authenticate your transaction. Confirm the details. Authorize the transaction using a 4-digit PIN. Complete the transfer. Tap submit to finalize the transaction. Now you know how to transfer on the Fidelity banking app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.